Hello folks, and welcome to this episode of Jay's Tip of the Day. I have two very interesting videos here that occurred in Florida last year or maybe the year before of two road rage incidents where both the drivers used a firearm and they actually used deadly force while they were both driving down an interstate. They were both road rage incidents, and you should be able to see that both these individuals who used deadly force were both the instigators in the road rage incidents here. So I will just go ahead and tell you now that one driver was charged with a crime, I believe it was a felony, and the other one was not. So let's just go right into the videos. I found this off Inside Edition, so they have the video and they will tell you exactly what happened. Now at the end of these videos, I will explain to you how I felt it was either right or wrong of these two drivers getting involved in a road rage incident and using deadly force. Here's those videos.
The video starts with Eric Popper, a civilian fire inspector, looking relaxed and singing. Next, police say the 30-year-old cuts off another car.
Oh my God.
You can hear the other driver honking his horn. Popper glares at the rearview mirror. He says the other driver is tailgating and making obscene hand gestures. Moments later, Popper opens his center console and carefully removes a handgun. When the other vehicle pulls up, Popper opens fire. Cops say he fired 11 times. If you look closely, you can see the other driver apparently throwing a water bottle at the car. Popper says he thought he was being fired upon and was acting in self-defense.
Brake checked another driver in a Nissan he thought was tailgating him, causing the other driver to bump him from behind. The Nissan then speeds around Mazzetta's truck, and when you blow up the video, it looks like he has a gun. Mazzetta then pulls his gun from his waistband and starts shooting. The whole incident lasts about 8 minutes before the Nissan drives off.
All right, folks, you saw the videos. Now, some of you are probably going to say that deadly force was authorized on both incidents and neither driver should have been charged with a crime. But I will say this, the first individual that occurred, the incident occurred down in Miami. He clearly was the aggressor. He shot at a car while he was driving who threw a water bottle at his vehicle. Now, think about that. In Florida state statute, if you read it, you have to articulate that you were in imminent fear of serious bodily harm and or death. A water bottle being thrown at your car when your windows are rolled up and you're driving down the interstate, there's really no way for you to articulate to the grand jury, the district attorney, or anyone at the law enforcement agency that is investigating this incident that somehow you were in fear of imminent serious death or bodily harm. I mean, it's just crazy what this guy did. I believe the charges were warranted, and I'm not sure if he was found guilty or not, but the guy is an idiot. I mean, really, he was the instigator. He did the brake checking. If you watch, he actually got his weapon ready as it looks like he was just waiting to shoot somebody. So this guy was just 100% wrong in my book. Now, the second guy in the pickup truck, he also looked like he was the instigator. Now, the only reason why he was not charged here in Florida is because the other driver, what it looked like was that he did brandish some sort of firearm. At least that's what it looks like. So that's probably why he was not charged with any felonies or misdemeanors. But still, why would that driver in the pickup truck brake check somebody and basically be the instigator of a road rage incident and then later on try to claim self-defense? He got very lucky the other driver brandished a firearm and he had video of it. But still, it just shows you what not to do when you're driving a vehicle, being an instigator and brake checking people or flipping them off. It's just bad. I mean, folks, if you're carrying a firearm on your person or one in your vehicle, you need to learn how to take the high road and just, check your anger at the door when you leave the house. Road rage is just bad altogether because it gets you involved in things that you really don't want to get yourself involved. And when you do something stupid, you could look at serious criminal charges. But anyways, I wanted you to show those two videos. Very interesting stuff in Florida. I don't know what the hell's going on with these road rage incidents, but people just need to think twice before doing something stupid. So anyways, I'm going to close out my video like I do most of them with my motto, and that is prepare your battlefield for success. Thank you.